in Europe. Whereas in our country, sound basically creates trouble for the human being. It creates stress, it creates skin rash, it creates heart problem, it gets mental attitude, it becomes irritation, emotional problem, all starts with the loud sound. If once you get a problem in the human ear, I tell you, you cannot fix it. Only God can fix it because He is the creator. Till today, all the psychoacoustics people, and most of them are women, by the way. Most of them, the physicists and scientists, are women. For example, Dolby AC3 compression, data compression, designed by Marina Bose. She is a woman professor. Today, all the video games sound design is done by computer, not normally how we do it. Now it's a 4 years old. He is doing it in the institute in America called DigiPen. He was a musician. He did Digital Academy course with me. After that, my recommendation, he went there, 1 crore the fee there he paid, plus staying. Now that kind of guy, if he comes in India, unfit. उसको कोई 25,000 रुपये भी नहीं रखेगा. But there he will earn solid money. That is why when you learn this kind of technology, abroad you should be always settled there. So this is my reply to you. Level, acoustics, and buy a good monitor which can be aligned. Then your mixes, other thing is, your reference should not be home theater. See, what is a good mix, if you ask me? Good mix is which is heard everywhere good. Whether I hear, sometime in the mobile when you hear jazz, sometime I hear jazz on the mobile, I find here still drum thoda barabar sunayi deta hai. What is in the mobile? Very small, 2, 4, 5 speakers. The new iPad which I got top speaker also, down speaker also, the Pro series jo bhi hai, sound is much better in that. But these devices are not made for listening unless you have Bluetooth. Now I got a Bluetooth headphone, noise cancellation by Bose. Sound quality is fantastic. The moment I hear it, ऐसा लगता है कि वाह कुछ. See, always remember one thing. I always tell, even Ananjan knows, your reference point of listening every day is important. How you listen sound every day. A tiny headphone, Apple का 6,000 का भी लेगा, कुछ नहीं निकल जाएगा. Then bass will be less. Then how much you are going to insert? Are you going to put ear canal plug? Any leakage going from the front diaphragm to back, low frequency losing. That is why even if you have 6,000 rupees headphone, closed one, it gives you better sound. Now these days, they are making headphone of surround. They are making headphone 3-way. That means how we have speaker 3-way. They are 3-way headphone. Now the advantage of headphone is, in your case, you should mix on headphone. Then there is no acoustic problem. So you buy a good headphone, let us AKG or Sony top range. You mix it. Now problem is, if you mix in the headphone, your whole calculation will be wrong. Why? Because you are hearing so close, you will try to put less reverb, less delay, because everything you are hearing very clearly. So when you listen on other system, बोले यार ये कुछ गड़बड़ है. So basically, if you want to do stereo recording, it should be mixed on the speaker. Stereophonic basically means, stereo means solid, phonic means science of sound. It's a Greek word. So stereo means solid. What can be solid mean? You say मैं solid लगता हूँ. Are you seeing me front solid? ये भी है ना solid. देखा नहीं कितना पेट एकदम पंजाबी लगता हो ना. This is solidity. So the sound has this, sound has this, sound has this. That is why stereophonic. And it can be only reproduced through the speaker. Normally people will listen to the speaker na. Why we don't give in the disco? अरे यार सब हेडफोन ले लो जितना लाउड सुनना सुनो काय को दीवारें हिला रहे हो. यू नो मारुति ओमनी हिलती है ना जब बड़ा वूफर होता है ऐसा हिलते हैं ना जाते जाते. करेक्ट है नहीं. BMW doesn't move, Mercedes doesn't move. और मिका की गाड़ी जो कभी घूमती नहीं कितना भी बेस बजाया उसमें. So, how the ear behaves with sound, very important. How the sound behaves in the room, very important. Room acoustics. So all this theory you must understand. Once you understand, from the very beginning you think like that ना. अभी मुझे स्टूडियो बनाने का बोले पहले सर ने बोला acoustics ठीक होना चाहिए. Before buying the equipment of 2.5 lakh Pro, whatever Mac Pro, you will first see कि ये भी होना चाहिए part of the system. It may not be very sophisticated, but you have taken care of certain thing. And that's the reason. The other problem with the bass is, bass gets built up. Once you get build up. आजकल problem क्या है? When you are programming ना, now I am going another way. You want to put 3 kicks. You also want double bass. You want also electric bass. बोलो ऐसा कभी होता है क्या लाइफ में? Either you play double bass या you play upright bass. You play one kick. किक अपना ड्रम में दो किक होती हैं अनलेस द मैन इज डबल डू करे. एक ही किक होती है ना. व्हाई यू आर पुटिंग देन व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ सिलेक्टिंग सो मेनी सैंपल एंड पुट वन किक. तो व्हाट हैपन यू आर क्लैशिंग. द मोस्ट डेंजरस दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद इंडियन रिकॉर्डिंग इज दैट वी डोंट हैव स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ मॉनिटरिंग. And with the result, bass never comes correctly what comes in the foreign recording. Foreign की कोई भी CD सुनो, their bass is absolutely correct. Whether you listen reggae, whether you listen rap, whether you listen jazz, you listen rock and roll, you listen anything. नमस्कार, भाभी जी. बस दया है आपकी सब लोगों की. भाषण दे रहा हूँ. हाँ. अच्छे लग रहे हैं. बहुत खुशी. आप यहाँ थे? अच्छा 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 ठीक है. वेरी गुड. ठीक है. नो प्रॉब्लम. नाइस. ठीक है. यू आर कीपिंग योर सेल्फ फिट. So what happens that when you do bass programming also, you should be very careful. And most of the musicians in Bombay do all this thing. Layers of low frequency which clashes with the why it clashes is because the time rising and the falling of the waveform is different. When 5 waveforms are together, they are clashing with one another. You may tune it, but what about the envelope which is falling? That is why most of the engineers who are smart, they cut the beginning, they cut the end by gating. But why to do that? That is in the post mixing is because it's a mistake. If your program is correct, let me tell you one thing. Rahman used to use that, but this was 40 years back I heard it and learned from the magazine. When MIDI came into being, you know MIDI, na? Musical Instrument Digital Interface. Most of the musicians, they used to put MIDI track audio. No, MIDI is different and audio is different, that you know. So audio, they used to mix it like a rough mix, maybe two tracks drum, two tracks harmony. And then they used to build up the song on that, like gaane wane jo bhi hai, instrument. Now when they are doing final mix, they found ये जो प्रोग्राम मिडी का इसमें किक बराबर नहीं है. That chord is very shrill in this range. So what they used to do, while mixing, they used to trigger the MIDI information to the sound generator. From the sound generator, let us say 20 lines are back coming, line output, and they are mixing. Now, he find this kick is wrong with this. He will change, he'll change the kick. He'll say these strokes are not coming proper. It's very jarring. He'll put it all multi-timbral, this thing. So what is happening is, in the mixing, he's changing the backing. Full backing. Today we call it, what is called resampling, what do you call? Resampling. That today we resampling. Resampling क्या? वो कोई बजा के क्या उसको ठीक नहीं है, snare sound change करो उसको. Drum replacement. So what is basically means, these people knew that when the final mix is there, the sound element should be correctly gelled, what? With what you have done on the microphone. And that Raman used to do with Sridhar. And see what Sridhar has done the mixing, and when Sridhar died, after that see the Raman's mixing. Because Sridhar himself was a bass guitarist. So if you are in the music field, the music doesn't mean only making song. Suppose doing a live, you are dealing with music. So best thing is learn music. Any instrument which you like. Learn theory of music. Pass your time like that. So what is happening? You are investing in that. When I start learning music, it's not I want to performer. I want to learn what is this साला major minor में फ़र्क क्या है, ये augmented क्या होता है, 7th का और 12th का क्या है, समझ में नहीं आती. तो sound difference क्या है, when you press loud, what happens, when you press like this, what happens. So all these things, today if any pianist plays in front of me, I can catch him whether he is a correct pianist or not. I can show him also you are wrong here. That helps you in your mixing. That helps you. See, most of the people, not today, what happened? They'll bring you CD. He has done his in the home studio. He'll bring the CD. Nanjan studio, you record the voice. After that, अभी तुम्हारा मारा मारी चालू हो गया. क्यों? उसका सभी गड़बड़ है पीछे का. So you are fighting to get a good sound because basically which is not correct. Your half battle is that. But if you are done music recording, tracking, dubbing, overdubbing, then mixing becomes much easy. Why my song sounds good is from the very beginning I should do that. That means when you are doing programming, let us say I did Veezara. Suppose somebody putting khadak, Nitin Shankar. मैंने बोला एक काम करो इसको अलग लगा लो. बोले सूसा अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा लगता है ना. I don't want to mix with the original source. So I will route his echo on a separate track because unlimited track on the Pro Tool. Now in the final mix I feel कि echo तो है जरूरत ही नहीं इसकी. When you are programming, you think ये होना चाहिए. He doesn't realize कि इसके ऊपर वायलिन भी आएगा, cello भी आएगा, फ्लूट भी आएगा, कोरस भी आएगा, तबला ढोलक भी आएगा. He doesn't realize ना, because he is a rhythm programmer. Even if he is a good programmer, Nitin Shankar. So that case, what I am doing is, as an engineer, I have options. The moment I have option in the final mix, whether I am mixing or anybody is mixing. Now Veezara is got mixed in London. But the engineer got separate, I given him everything. Then suppose he wants to put echo. He will put a better echo because he got better echo light. He has got hardware. Right? Now nobody can replace hardware with software. It's exactly like this. I have got a doll. One is my wife in flesh, and one I have got made a perfect robot like my wife, and I'm hugging her and kissing her. Will I get the same feeling? And to be very frank, they are designed like that. It looks exactly like a woman, but it's made of full plastic. आप उसको हाथ लगाएंगे तो सॉफ्ट लगेगा, बट देयर इज नो लाइफ, देयर इज नो सोल. This is exactly the difference I explained between hardware and software. Till today, all the engineers, all top engineers, there are 40 engineers in the world, they will record on the Pro Tool. Pro Tool is like a tape recorder. They may experiment with plugin and all that, दिखाने के लिए ठीक है, but जब final mix करते हैं ना, so सब streams are coming separately. They have a 96 channel board. In the 96 channel, they group 48 main source. Other 48 is all reverbs, delay, whatever pitch shifter, whatever real one, hardware. Now hardware problem is basically what? You cannot change the parameter in the running. You understand? You cannot change the mixing parameter, right? Let us say I got a reverb, I can't change reverberation time. I cannot change, let us say, now, if you know pre-delay and all that, you know little bit, na? Pre-delay, you know, pre-delay, you can't change it. But if you hook up those gadgets with MIDI and you program MIDI, you can in real time change the parameter. And that is top engineers, they do like that. And then nobody does in India like that. Even I have not done it. So, everything can be overcome. The main thing is here it should be. Your intelligence should say, I need like that. The other question?
Spectrum analyzer is a big mystery as far as I'm concerned. क्योंकि मैं जब भी when I send my mixes to a spectrum analyzer, now the biggest question is what should I look for in the analyzer? मैं as analyzer का जो मेरे को एक shape represent वहाँ पे कर रहा है, एक graph represent कर रहा है, अब उस graph में मैं क्या खोजूँ? What should I look for? और उसको then how do I after looking for it, पहली बात तो वो समझ में नहीं आता कि मैं उसमें क्या खोजूं. खोजने के बाद मेरे को शायद समझ में आया कि ठीक है उसको मैं अब किस तरह से उसको रेक्टिफाई करूं जो मेरे को यहाँ पे गलत दिखा रहा है. लेकिन पहली बात द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वही नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि उसमें जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है उसमें गलत क्या है और सही क्या है. हाउ शुड इट साउंड? बिकॉज मैंने रेफरेंस के लिए दूसरे ट्रैक्स भी डाले ग्राफ पे एनालाइजर पे एंड देन आई ट्राई टू कंपेयर माइन विथ दोज. अब ग्राफिकली ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग लुक सिमिलर, सब कुछ सही लगता है. ऐसे देखने में ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन के देखते हैं तो ठीक है वही ऐसे शेप जा रहा है तो लगा हाँ मेरा भी तो वही जा रहा है. लेकिन जब उसको सुनते हैं, जब उसको कान से सब सुनते हैं तब वो लगता है कि नहीं बहुत बड़ा अंतर है. सोनिकली इट इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट इज़ बीइंग मिक्स्ड और इंजीनियर्ड इन बॉम्बे और लंदन एंड व्हाट इज़ बीइंग डन बाय मी. सो ये जो स्पेक्ट्रम एनालाइजर है उसमें क्या देखें और कैसे देखें उसमें?
When this computer was not available, there was a spectrum analyzer in an SSL 4000 mixer. Why it was made that time? Let us say you have a problem in region of somewhere 80 to 200 hertz, and there is some kind of ringing in the bass. Now you cannot pinpoint, but it can show you that at this frequency more dip up is there. So you just detune that, remove that thing. So spectral analysis is only to see anything you cannot know, is it 100 or 120 or 130, it precisely tells you this is the problem. The other thing is to assume the spectrum can tell you the good mix, it is wrong. Mix is always heard by the ear. That is why famous producer of Beatles, George Martin, yes, George Martin has written a book called, long back he's written, All You Need Is Ear. Now I always tell people, we always think old timer, old this, old this. Till today, the maximum sale of Beatle is all over the world is number one. Number one. Not Michael Jackson, not other singers. When this Beatle used to record, they were recording analog. Their mixer used to be maximum, I think, if you see such a big mixer, black color, and the knob was like this. Not straight, like this, EMI, black color. There must be 32 channels. That was far more than enough for them, 32 channels. Because they used to record maximum 4 to 8 track. 8 track coming back, their reverbs and everything, bas, ho gaya, khatam. Or somebody is playing live something. While mixing, you can play live. No, there is no track. So, spectrum analyzer by default has no meaning. It is just a show off. It doesn't tell you loudness. It doesn't tell you it's good energy in this. It has nothing to do with that. You will show. Now, he's saying my spectrum analyzer, my mix, and that foreign one it looks same but doesn't sound the same. So it's a deception. It's a wrong way of looking at it. The main thing you must look at in mixing, I don't know whether you know, phase problems. There are phase meters, PZM, but they call PZ something. PAZ. Now that also to tell you that your panning, the panning is, how much sound energy is there, left and right. Center image is this. Now suppose sometime you mix, everything is mono only looks. My students, they mix as लगता है सब मैं क्या center ही आ रहा है left right में क्या है तुझे? So it shows you how your spread is or what is your phase problem. Now phase problem can be of different variety. One is electrical phase, one is acoustical phase. Now which one you are seeing, which one is happening, you have to analyze that. So theory helps that. But the thing is, there are people who uses 8 to 10 microphone the drum and still make the best drum sound. So, see now, one is to record a drum naturally. One is to give a sound, drum sound, you create a sound. And that is why you need different sources. On the tom, there are 4 tom, 4 mic. Snare up and down, kick, piche, aage, floor tom separate, choke, crash cymbal, all these things, 6 overhead microphones, all these things. See, it is not easy, sound engineering job. More microphone, theory says you are creating more problem. More layer of music, what I explained just now, kick and all that, more problem of probleming this thing. So minimalist technique is the best technique. Minimalist technique means Indian music is minimalist. Indian music is unison. There is no harmony, second harmony, obligato. Where Western music cannot live without that. So to record Indian music is much easier. And to balance is here. सब बजाते एक ही बजाते You can say Indian jazz. It's syncopation. So spectrum analysis is only to pinpoint the spectrum analysis where it will be helpful. It will be helpful in the outdoor. Let us say you are just speaking the low frequencies, some 300, 200 hertz came feedback in. Came na just now. Now I want to know which is this. I can immediately see on the spectrum analyzer and I can cut it, slice it out. That is the right way of that is why feedback suppressor or feedback eliminator does the same thing. It reads and he sees this amplitude has gone down, he do ulta, negative. So जो build-up हो रहा है उसको negative कर दिया और निकल गया है. Now in that Q factor is there. In the equalizer there is a Q factor. So Q can be so broad or Q can be narrow. So in that spectrum analyzer will be much helpful. Otherwise, no, there is no helpful. There is nothing helpful. For mixing, you cannot see with visual. Mixing is always done by ear. Anybody listening to the music is by ear. So we take general ear reference and equal loudness curve. Equal loudness, Fletcher-Munson curve. How it was devised. They took like you, all professional boys, girls, made them sit and they played something they asked them or give them the. Now if you go to ENT specialist, audiometry test, he gives you headphone और बोलता है जहाँ साउंड सुनना बंद हो जाएगा बोल देना या जहाँ सुनेगा तो ऐसा करना तो जहाँ सुनेगा बोले हाँ अभी सुनाई दे रहा है तो व्हाट इज डूइंग इज गिविंग यू फ्रीक्वेंसी जो सुनाई दे रहा है then you get a curve. And can you imagine both your ear is not identical? Even the finest ear cannot have the same. One ear is more sensitive to mid-range than the other one. My boss, B.N. Sharma, used to always listen like this. So I used to always wonder why he is listening like that. Because his ear, this side, was much more sharper in mid-range than eyes. And it is also with you. Mostly it is left ear, if you are right hand. Your left ear is more sharper. In the sense, mid-range is not very clear. And mid-range is the main, in the music, from 400 onwards to 8K is the maximum information of music. That is why when you used to do optical recording, the optical recording used to record maximum up to 6-7K. 6,000, 6K means say 7,000. But still when you hear the song, you don't miss anything. Today because of the CD medium, we can record up to 20. But I may not be able to listen to 20. Speakers may not be able to reproduce. Even the Neumann, even the Jinlek speaker cannot reproduce 20K. Because that's the limit. And that limit is human ear can listen beyond 20K. This is research says, and I agree with that. Earthwork, there is a microphone made by Earthworks. His engineer has written an article, 20K beyond. That means human ear can listen 20 kilohertz beyond, but that is only to make out the difference between this tanpura and that tanpura. Now you see, these are 4 or 5 tanpura. You tune them exactly same pitch and you play. The harmonics content will not be same. And that is the timbre or the stamp of that tanpura. Now most of tanpura they say from Maharashtra, Miraj is best. Most harmony the best is in Calcutta, Paul and Company. Why is like that? वो पॉल की उंगली में कुछ जादू है because he is using high quality German reeds. And Calcutta has been always very rich in the music because Britishers were mostly here. That company, East India Company, started from where? From Bombay? From where? Kolkata. So most of the pianos, best pianos are here. And most of the teachers were all from here. I think there's one Bengali guy who's in the Rahman's Academy in Chennai who teaches there. Somebody told me he's Bengali. Very good teacher. So spectrum analyzer has nothing to do that. That means from today you must stop, even if you are, let us say, using plugin. The plugin, first thing is when you use plugin, have you studied all the parameters what is available? Let us say you put bomb factory you put, compressor parameter lag hai. Now if you put any other, let us say SSL compressor वो lag hai. Or you put wave का कुछ CL2 something, CL2 ना ऐसा कुछ, CL, right? All those things parameter different or not? That means to use plugin you need a theory. This is my conclusion. Now you give me any plugin, I'll just study it and I will fix it. SSL दो, ऑक्सफोर्ड दो, कुछ भी दो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. हार्वर्ड हो या ऑक्सफोर्ड से क्या लेने का. थ्योरी क्या बोलती है वो रिप्लाई. यू गिव मी शैडो हिल. द मेन थिंग इज व्हाट पैरामीटर यू आर एडजस्टिंग. आई एम एडजस्टिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू माई हियरिंग, not according to the photo what is giving. Needle has nothing to do. By the way, if you are using compressor, from the movement of the needle you can make out attack and release. That you can see if you are smart.